showing you how to make a block parrot toy. The material you will need are poly rope of any size and color, a knife or scissors to cut your rope, blocks of any shape and size, make sure they're drilled, and a clip to attach to the cage. Now we're ready to start. With your scissors or knife, cut a good length of poly rope off and make a nice sturdy tight rope knot at the bottom of it, so the blocks won't slide through it. Then it's thread. What I like to do is make knots at the bottom in between each block to separate them. My bird seems to like that. And keep threading your pattern. Keep this process up and do all the patterns that you like, and I'll meet you at the end. After you're done with your pattern and you think that what you have is good, you take the end of the rope, shown here, wrap it around, cross it over, and slip it through the hole and pull to fasten it. Make sure it's tight. Attach the cage clip that you'd be attaching to the cage with. And now you can move the knot up and down to make it whatever length you want that suits your cage. And this is how to make a block bird toy.